Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Master English. I'm so happy you're here today. Let me ask you something. Has there ever been a moment in your life that changed everything? A moment that opened your eyes, made you realize something important, something that stayed with you forever? For me, that moment happened on a normal day, a quiet afternoon, nothing special. But that day changed the way I learned English forever. And today, I want to share that story with you, because maybe it can change your English too. So sit back, relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin the day that changed my English forever. Part 1. The beginning. My struggle with English. When I first started learning English, I felt lost, really lost. I could understand some words, but I couldn't speak. Every time someone talked to me, my brain froze. I knew what I wanted to say, but the words just wouldn't come out. Does that sound familiar? I think many English learners feel the same way. At that time, I was studying English from a book. Grammar rules, vocabulary lists, fill-in-the-blanks exercises. And even though I studied every day, I couldn't use English in real life. I felt embarrassed when I spoke. I made mistakes. People didn't understand me. And sometimes I wanted to give up. But one day, everything changed. Part 2. The day that changed everything. It was a normal morning. I was on my way to school. The sky was blue, the air was warm, and I had my headphones on, listening to music. Suddenly, a podcast started playing. By accident. It wasn't music. It was a person talking in English. Clear, slow, friendly English. At first, I wanted to skip it, but something about the speaker's voice kept me listening. He was talking about his life, his mistakes, his dreams. It didn't feel like a lesson. It felt like a conversation. And as I listened, something amazing happened. I understood him. Not every word, but enough. And for the first time, I felt connected to English. It didn't feel like a subject anymore. It felt like a friend. That day, I listened for 1 hour, then 2, then 3. And from that moment, I made a decision. I would stop memorizing English. I would start living English. That day changed everything. Part 3. The secret I discovered. Repetition and shadowing. After that day, I tried something new. Every morning, I listened to English podcasts. Not once, not twice, but again and again. I didn't worry about understanding every word. I just listened. And slowly, I started to shadow, to speak along with the speaker. At first, it was difficult. I made mistakes. My pronunciation wasn't perfect, but I kept going. I listened, I repeated, I shadowed, every single day. And something magical happened. The sounds of English started to feel natural. My mouth moved without thinking. The sentences flowed. I stopped translating in my head. I started thinking in English. That was the real secret. Not grammar, not vocabulary, but connection and repetition. Now, my friend, let's do what I did. Let's shadow together. I'll say a sentence. You repeat after me. Try to match my rhythm, my tone, my feeling. Ready? Let's begin. Listen and repeat. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I don't need to be perfect. I don't need to be perfect. Every mistake helps me grow. Every mistake helps me grow. English is not a test. English is not a test. English is a skill. English is a skill. I can do this. I can do this. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Beautiful. You're doing great. Now let's practice longer sentences, like real conversation. Repeat after me. I used to be afraid of speaking English. I used to be afraid of speaking English. But now I practice every day. But now I practice every day. I listen, I repeat, I improve. I listen, I repeat, I improve. I don't worry about mistakes anymore. I don't worry about mistakes anymore. Because mistakes mean progress. Because mistakes mean progress. Perfect. You sound amazing. Part 5. What I learned that day. That day, the day I found that podcast, I learned something powerful. Learning English isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Even 5 minutes a day can change your life. Listening every day, repeating every day, thinking in English every day. When you do that, your brain starts to rewire. You begin to hear patterns. You begin to feel grammar. You begin to speak without fear. That's why I always say, don't just learn English, live English. Watch movies. Listen to stories. Shadow podcasts. Speak to yourself out loud. Make English part of your day. Like brushing your teeth. Like having breakfast. Just a normal part of life. Because the more you live in English, the more English lives in you. Part 6. Reflection practice. Repeat and answer. Now, let's reflect. I'll ask you a few questions. Answer them out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Ready? What is one thing that helps you learn English better? Answer it. Do you listen to English every day? Answer it. How do you feel when you speak English? Answer it. Do you want to speak English naturally? Answer it. Perfect. Now, repeat these affirmations after me. I am becoming confident in English. I am becoming confident in English. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I love learning English. I love learning English. English is my friend. English is my friend. Every word I learn brings me closer to fluency. Every word I learn brings me closer to fluency. Part 7. Motivation and mindset. My friend, If you're listening to this, you're already doing what most people never do. You're practicing. You're showing up. And that's what makes you special. There will be days when you feel tired. Days when you feel like you're not improving. But remember this. Every small step counts. Every word matters. Every effort adds up. You might not see progress today, but one day you'll look back and realize how far you've come. So don't give up. Don't stop now. You are learning faster than you think. And every time you listen, every time you shadow, you're training your brain to think in English. Keep going. You are doing amazing. Part 8. Closing practice. Slow shadowing. Let's finish today's podcast with a calm, slow shadowing practice. Repeat after me. Feel the words. Feel the meaning. I am learning English every day. I am proud of my progress. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. Every mistake helps me grow. Every word I speak makes me stronger. English is part of my life now, and I am becoming fluent naturally. Again, slowly. I am learning English every day. I am proud of my progress. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. Every mistake helps me grow. Every word I speak makes me stronger. English is part of my life now, and I am becoming fluent naturally. Beautiful. You did it. Outro. Warm ending. My friend, thank you for learning with me today. You're not just studying English, you're transforming yourself. Remember, the day that changed my English could be today for you. Maybe this very moment is your turning point. The moment you decide to practice every day, to listen, to shadow, to live in English. If you do that, your English will never be the same again. So keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and keep coming back to master English. I'll be here every step of the way. Until next time, take care, keep smiling, and remember, you are improving every single day. Goodbye, my friend.